Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so we can determine initial kinetic energy, final elastic potential energy, spring constant, angular frequency, and time period from this question. And I would like to pick initial kinetic energy, spring constant, angular frequency, and the time period be the four physical quantities to be determined. Okay, so therefore we know the initial kinetic energy can be equal to 1/2 mv squared, which is equal to 1/2 times 1.2 kilogram times 6.0 meter per second squared. And this will give us 216 joule. And according to energy conservation law, elastic potential energy should be equal to the initial kinetic energy, which is equal to 216 joule. So therefore, we know that elastic potential energy is equal to 1/2 kx squared. K is a spring constant we're looking for, and x here is the compressed distance. And we know the compressed distance is given at 0.10 meter. So therefore, we have K is equal to 2UE over x squared, which is equal to 4320 Newton per meter. So now we have spring constant. So once we know about spring constant, we can determine the angular frequency, which is equal to square root K over m. And this will give us 60 radian per second. And now we can determine the time period. The time period is equal to 2 pi over omega, which is equal to 2 pi over 60 radian per second. And this will give us 0.105 second. So the time period is equal to 0.105 seconds. And these are the answers for this question.